Kiambote, ngizambote. Yapangizezi kwa kwena. Siya longo ndinga tieto, ndinga kikongo, ndinga etwa kintinu kia Kongo dia totela. Welcome. We are going to learn Kikongo. Kikongo is the language spoken in DRC, Congo Republic, Gabon, and Angola. So it's the language of Congo Kingdom. We have our sisters here. They're going to learn. They're very brave. I trust them. Welcome, sisters. Let me just share my screen. Where is my screen? Is there? Okay, we're going back later in 2 minutes. We're going back to the last lesson, just revision. But here we have, you can see my screen.
Yes.
Yes, this is welcome Ngizambote. You could say Ngizilu. I think the easiest one is Ngizambote.
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 Ngizambote. Because you got two A, I mean, A at the end of Giza, Ambote. Just make one A, Ngizambote. That's welcome.
Ngizambote.
Ngizambote.
Ngizambote. Then we go next slide. This is, you know.
Kiambote.
Kiambote. Well done. Kiambote. Let me just read for you. Lucy Kamene, who is brave. Can you try? Lucy Kamene.
Lucy Kamene.
Oh, well done. Wow. As I said last time, Kikongo is an international language. You could say Lucy Kamene, but to underline, to emphasize, you need to say at the end you put A, Lucy Kamene. This is good morning. I need to read my notes because it's very important to understand the concept. We don't say good morning in the village, Congo village. The Congo village, we don't say good morning. Our good morning is asking a person, Lucy Kamene. Give money. I need to read my notes, PowerPoint notes. Otherwise, I would be talking too much here. Okay. Lucy Kamene means, have you woken up well? Or how was your sleep? We're not wishing someone. Let me read it. Put my eyes on my notes. Did you sleep well? In our tradition, a Congo tradition, how can you wish someone a happy day if you are not sure that they had a good sleep? So this is our concept. We ask people. We don't say wish. We don't say good morning. We ask them how was their sleep. We, Bakongo and Africans in general, have a concept of global being. Hence, the saying, it takes the whole village to raise a child. I'm sure you heard about this saying. It takes the whole village to raise a child. It means the welfare of all young people in the village should be our concern. See, if we live in a certain village, this should be our concern. So each of us needs to do his or her best to help kids in the village to behave well. Lucy Kamene. Now we'll go to the next slide. That will be the answer. So this is the question. Okay. Ingeta tutomene sikama. In English, you say good morning. You say good morning. But we say Lucy Kamene. Then the reply is, can you try?
Ingete tuteme sikama.
Well done. Ingeta tutomenesikama. Ingeta tutomenesikama.
Ingeta.
Tiffany, your turn, please. Ingeta tutomenesikama.
Ingeta tutomene sikama.
Well done. Did you understand what my explanation about the good morning?
Yes.
In Congo tradition, our tradition, we don't mean good morning. We ask people, how was your sleep? Then you reply, Ingeta tutomenesikama. Yes, we woke up well. We are fine. I mean, we had a good sleep. Yes, let me try to move to next slide. This is good night.
Fuku and Bote.
Fuku ambote. Fuku, evening, night. Fuku ambote. Let me just read my notes again. The Bakongo people say, Leka kiambote. Tomaleka. Fuku ambote, we borrow from the concept, we borrow from Western good night, but normally we say, Leka kiambote. Sleep well. That's good night. Good night. Lega kiambote, tomaleka, sleep well. This is a concept, but unfortunately, over the time, any language can be influenced by other concepts. That's why we use fukuambote. Are you with me? We're moving. Moving. Goodbye. I'm sure you remember last time. Wenda kiambote.
Wenda kiambote.
Well done. Emily, please.
Wenda Kiambote.
Wow. Okay. Let me just put someone's saying hello to you. Hello, sisters. Welcome to the class, Kikongo class. She's learning Kikongo as well on Saturdays.
Oh, okay.
Thank you, Mami. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wenda kiambote.
Wenda kiambote.
Who says Wenda kiambote?
The people that are staying.
Well done. So you are staying, you say Wenda kiambote to someone who is leaving. Goodbye. Sala kiambote. Easy to understand? Can you read it, please?
Sala kiambote.
Sala kiambote. So you are leaving your friend, you say Sala kiambote. Thank you. Kumbwa kunani.
Kumba Kunani.
Emily, please, can you read this?
Kumbo Akunani.
Kumbwa kunani. Kumbwa kunani.
Kumba Kunani.
Kumbwa kunani. Tiffany, please.
Kumbu aknani.
Kumbwa kunani.
Kumbu kanani.
Kumbwa kunani. Thank you. Then you say, my name is Kumbwame.
Kumba Ame Emily.
Well done. Kumbwame. You say your name. Thank you. Let me just try to close this. Let me just check the next one.
How do you say it again? My name is?
Oh, okay. So let me just go back then.
Kumbo Ame.
Kumbwame. Kumbwame. We're going back to that later.
Okay.
We are going back because we're going back to the last lesson. The first lesson, going back again. This one. Numbers. How do you say one in Kikongo?
Oh. Let me go back.
Okay.
Mosi.
Hey, well done. Emily, how do you say two?
Oh my goodness. Hold on. This is, where's my notes? My notes. My notes.
Don't worry. We have it here. Don't worry, Emily. Don't worry.
Zola. Zole.
Zoli, wow, well done, Zoli, wow, well done. Let me just give me 2 minutes.
Oh, there it goes right
You
there.
got it, Emily.
Yes.
How do you say five, Emily?
Tatu.
Five.
Oh, the Tanu. Tanu.
Well done, well done.
Ghana.
Someone is helping you. See, Zoli.
No, I have to look at my notes.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, okay. Here we are. Emily, can you try to read, please? Pavala. Mm-hmm.
Papala,
Mm-hmm.
Mosi, Zole,
Mm-hmm.
Tatu,
Mm-hmm.
Ya,
Mm-hmm.
Tanu,
Mm-hmm.
Sambanu,
Mm-hmm.
Sambajwa,
Sambodia. Mm-hmm.
Sambajwa, Nana,
Mm-hmm.
Voa, Ekumi.
Way, well done. See, you can do business in Kikongo. Okay, well done. Tiffany, please.
Pavala.
Pavala, yes.
Mosi.
Mm-hmm.
Zole.
Wow.
Tatu.
Wow.
Ya.
Mm.
Tanu. Samban.
Sambanu.
Sambanu.
Mm-hmm. Sambodia.
Sambadia.
Mm.
Nana.
Mm-hmm.
Voa. Kumi.
Kumi. Wow. This is someone is following you. Look, she's right on again.
Yes.
Mommy, okay, that's fine. Okay, now we're going to tens. Going to tens. Wow. Keep your note on units. We're going to. It's going to help you to do the numbers to make complete the numbers. Emily, please. Kumi.
Kumi,
Mm-hmm.
Maku Mole,
Mm-hmm.
Maku Matatu,
Mm-hmm.
Maku Maya,
Mm-hmm.
Maka Matanu,
Mm-hmm.
Maku Mansabwanu.
Samban. Wow. Well done. Wow. Tiffany, please.
Kumi.
Wow.
Maku Mole.
Makumole.
Maku Matatu.
Mm-hmm.
Maku Maya.
Mm-hmm.
Maku Matanu.
Mm-hmm.
Maku Masabanu.
Samban. Wow. Well done. Wow. Makuma Samban. Okay. Now
Samban.
have your units with you. 41, Emily.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Grab my note.
Now it's easy. You did it. You
But it's Maku Mayu Pavala.
No, Makumaya. Well done. 40 Makumaya. But remember, bottom left. Yeah. Between tens, I mean, between thousands, between hundreds, between tens, unit. Makumaya, 41. Makumaya,
Maku Mayaye Pavala.
Paval is 0. 1. Makumaya, 1.
Yes.
Makumaya, 1. 1.
Pavala.
Mosi. Paval is 0. Paval is 0.
0. Okay. I thought Mosi was 2.
Okay, let's go again, Emily. 52.
Maku Matanu.
Yeah.
Tatu. Tanu.
Zole, 52. 52. Okay, thank you. Tiffany, please. 57.
Maku Matatu.
Mhm.
Um,
Yeah. In between,
oh,
yeah.
Maku Matatu Ye
Mhm.
Sambudia.
Wow, well done. Tambwa, that is the hardest one. Wow.
Sambudia.
It's the
Sambudia.
hard. It's hard. Oh, well done. Wow. Kumi, let me just go. Kumi, 10. Let's say 12. Emily,
Ooh.
Kumi, yeah.
Yeah, Kumie Mosi Zoli.
Kumi Zole. Kumi Zole.
Zoli. Mia
Mhm.
Zoli. Okay.
Okay. That's why we don't want to spend too much time here. But let's say Tiffany 66.
66. Okay. Maku Masambanu
Mhm.
Ye Sambanu.
Well done. By the way, you can just by looking here, you got all your units here anyway.
Oh.
Mole, you got Zole there, hidden. Emilia, apart from Kumi, Makumole, you got Zole hidden there, units.
Okay.
Makuma Tatu, you have a tattoo there.
3. Okay,
Yes.
got it.
Makuma, you have yeah, 4 there.
4.
Sometimes the answer is in the question. Makuma
I just
10, 5 is there. Makuma Sambanu 6 is there.
So Maku Sambu na. Wait.
Mm.
Maku Masambunu Ye Sambunu.
Well done. Yeah, yes, exactly, yeah. Thank you, Mommy. She's saying well done. Okay, without looking at your notes, because everything is there, you got your tens and units are there. 44. Emily, please.
Makamaya Yiza. Oh.
Yeah.
Makamaya. Yeah.
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 Yeah. Yeah. Well done. Wow. 34. No, sorry, 33. Tiffany, please.
Oh,
30.
okay. Maku Matatu Ye Tatu.
Yeah, it's there. Yeah, well done. 54. So 55.
Makomatano Ye Tano.
Done. Well done. Wow. Let me just, someone's greeting you. Oh, hang on. Okay, I'm not sure who's right. Okay. Now we're moving to the hardest bit now. Because remember from 10, 20 to 60, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, you have the prefix maku, 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 yes? Apart from kumi, we got maku, maku, up to 60. From 70 is not the same thing. Okay, we forget about maku. From 70, we have lu, lu, lu. Lusambwadia. Lusambwadia.
Wow.
Can you read, please, Emily?
Lusambwadia.
Tiffany, please. Lusambwadia.
Lusambwadia.
Well done. Lunana. Emily, please.
Lunana.
Lunana. 90. Louvois. Tiffany, please.
Louvois.
Okay. Question. Very quick one. Easy. How do I say 77? The answer is there. Remember the year. Remember the year.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
You want me to go?
Please.
Lusambwadia Ye Sambwadia.
Well done. Wow, wow. Just remember the prefix of Maku up to 60. Maku.
Okay.
Those are prefix. Remember the units are always at the end. Wow. How do I say 88? Emily, the answer is in the question.
Lunana. Ye Nana.
Wow. Louvois. How do I say 1990? How do I say 99?
Louvois, voix. Louvois.
Yes, this the one. Hey, Louvois. Wow.
Good job.
Wow. Okay, we don't go far. Just hand that is very quick. Don't worry about memorizing. Just you are there. You got it. As long as you know your tens, that's fine. Hundred, as any language, is just a repeat of same thing, multiplying. But now listen to the tonality. You can try to read.
Oh boy.
Kama.
Wow, well done. Kama. Mm, Kama.
Kamazole.
Kamazulu. Well done. See here now. Remember, we have tens, maku, a prefix. Apart from 70 to 90, here in hundreds we have a kama, your prefix. So
Okay.
kamazole.
Zole. Kamatatu.
Mm-hmm.
Kamaya.
Yeah.
Kamatano.
Mm-hmm.
Kama Sambano.
Mm-hmm.
Kama Sambajwa.
Yeah.
Kama Nanu and Kama
Kamanano, kamava. Funda di mosi.
de Mosi.
You put the funda di mosi.
Funda de Mosi.
Yes. My screen, something is missing on my screen. Let me see. Okay, we are going to disappear. Yeah? I mean, I need to make it bigger. Let's see. Hang on. Still something. My screen. Okay, let me share my. I need to share my. I'm going to share my. I think this is easier for you to read here. A PDF file. This is something missing there, very important for you to understand. Okay, can you see it now?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, let me just remove something here. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Yeah, just quickly, you can see the screen. Okay.
Yes.
How do you say Tiffany 220?
Kama zole ye zole.
Now, Zola is your unit. We're going to 10s. 10s are, see the bottom of the screen.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Kama zole ye mole.
Remember the prefix for 10s? Is there
Is it
written?
mole?
Oh, Makumole.
Yeah. Well done. Remember
Oh,
the prefix for
Mako.
10s? Makumo for 10s, yeah. Emily, how do I say 550?
Kamatano. Naka.
Yeah. Makumatan. Well done. You see the stars there, just replacing for the maku, yeah, the prefix maku. How do I say 850? Tiffany, please.
Oh boy. Okay. Kama nana
Yeah.
ye maku nana.
Makuman.
Lunana.
Did I say 80?
Okay, hang on.
Did I say 80? 800. Okay, you're right. 880. Yeah, you're right. Yes.
Kama nana ye maku lunana.
Now we stop. See the star?
Oh. Oh, no maku. No maku.
Pasta 6. Yes.
Jama nana ye lu nana.
Hey, any question? We need to stop there. That's enough. We don't need to memorize. That's fine. As long as you have your notes, just remember units from 0 to 9. Then you have maku, which is prefix for tens. Then kama for hundreds. Okay. Thank you very much. Well done. Let me just remove this. Wow. Let me just check. Okay, we're going back to the first lesson. We need to repeat this review.
Sorry, I don't want to lose you guys.
Yeah. We're here. Yeah. Yeah, let me just share my screen.
Tiffany, you know you look just like Tracy Ross.
Yes. And a lot of people tell me this.
Emily, please, can you read for us?
Congo language course, Balongi Makikongo Kizombo by Professor Hazel Carter, the Reverend Joel
Makondekwa.
Mekondekwa, Joan Hazel Carter, 1928 to 2016, received her doctorate with her dissertation, Syntactic Tone Phrases in Congo, Kikongo Language. African Studies Program, Department of African Languages and Literature, University of Wisconsin-Madison, USA.
Thank you very much. The reason we're reading this because in my mother tongue, in Kikongo, we say utokozi makiambi. Ingratitude is bad. We always say thank you. We to tondele. Say thank you to people that, I mean, we are standing on the giant shoulder. Because of them, the way we are. They done well. They did very good work. Emily, please.
Kikongo is an annotation language. Pronunciation is very important because it can change the meaning of a word. Please mind the long vowels.
Yes. Next time, I'm thinking next lesson I'm going to play a video. Basically, you write the word same way. Let's say daddy, but you can have 3 or 4 meanings. I mean, 2 meanings, depend on the pronunciation. Same writing, the word same, but the meaning depends on the way you pronounce someone. Okay. Someone said that we should have a class for beginners.
We are beginners.
No, you are ahead. You're moving fast. You're moving.
We are beginners.
Moving fast. Okay, I mean, sorry. I keep picking on you. Tiffany,
You keep picking on me.
Tiffany, please.
The course is designed to teach you to speak rather than to know about Kikongo. These are special teaching drills, not testing drills, as in some language laboratory courses.
Okay, guess whose words are these? Not mine, the author, the two.
Hazel Carter.
Professor Hazel Carter and Pastor Makonde, Reverend Makonde. So you are going to speak Kikongo after this course. Because you're speaking already, you know how to count from 0 to 1. 0 to 10. Units. Just remember, 10's prefix is kumi. Sorry, maku. I think maku is the plural of kumi anyway. You see the K is there. Kumi is 10, then you go maku. Remember 10's, just maku, the prefix, then hundreds, you go, what is the prefix of hundreds? Emily, remember?
Are you really asking me this?
Yes. You can read it. Now, NKA.
Oh, Kanu.
Kama.
Kama.
Yeah,
Kama.
well done. Don't worry. Okay. Okay, we're going back we're going back to the same lesson. Okay. Let us read, please. Emily, please.
Kiambote.
Kiambote. Kiambote. Kiambote. Kiambote. Tiffany, please.
Kiambote.
Is that in English? How are you? How are you? Literally means health of goodness. Always, because you are learning Kikongo, you start thinking in Kikongo. See, Kikongo, Bakongo people. You go to find out later on. We have the sense of reverence. Reverence. We always. You can say tutondele. One person said tondele, but we usually say tutondele. We thank you are thankful because of our culture. This is how we say we say we thank people. Tata, remember long vowel? Tata.
Tata.
Tata. I'm going to go quick move it quick because just we've been there. Tata. Nengwa.
Nengwa.
Nengwa, yes. You are Nengwa. Nengwa. Tata is sir, normally sir. Because for daddy we use the word se, S-E, se. If I say my dad, in Congo would say sediame.
Sediame.
Sediame. Nengwa. Nengwa is more Madam Mrs. Nengwa, my mama's Nengwa is Ngudi. My mom would say Ngudiame. Hello. Hello. You be careful, there's no H. This is not English.
Hello.
Hello. Thank you. Good. Ingeta. Hello means yes. Ingeta. As you can read, yes, certainly yes, indeed. Ve. No.
Ve.
No. Sala Kiambote.
Sala Kiambote.
Remember long vowel, because Sala, we use the same word. I mean, this is just a phonetic spelling. You don't write double A, just one A. But that's the reason I say we should be careful about the pronunciation, because you write stay, S-A-L-A. You write work, same word, S-A-L-A. So for stay, we have a long vowel. For work, we don't have long vowel. Salakiambote.
Salakiambote.
Who said that?
Me, Tiffany.
Well done. Salakiambote said by a person living.
Salakiambote.
Okay. Emily, can you try to read? Mind the long vowel, please.
Kiambote.
Wenda Kiambote. Again, please.
Wenda Kiambote.
Wenda Kiambote. Go well, said by person staying. Okay. Now we're thinking as Congo people. Nusala Kiambote. Can you read it, Tiffany, please?
Nusala Kiambote.
In English.
Stay well to several people
Mm-hmm.
or a senior person. So for like elderly, right?
Yes, very good, very good. This concept is very important because we are not of the philosophy of how to say it. We think as Bakongo, we respect you understand what I'm trying to say? I don't want to say too much here because we're live.
Yeah.
Okay. Someone's greeting you, I think. Thanks for all sacrifice made to teach Congo. My God, may God bless. Ye kanza mbika lusaku muna. He said the same thing. May God bless you. He's saying in Kikongo, ye kanza mbika lusaku muna. Thank you, Papa Pedro. Tutondele. Wait. Okay. So I need to move quickly to the next level. Okay. Emily, please.
Wenda Kiambote.
Remember the long vowel. Nwenda Kiambote. Go well. Can you read the bracket?
To several people or a senior person?
Yes, very important, very important. Kediambuko. Kediambuko.
Kiambotko.
Kediambuko.
Kenyambuko.
It does matter. Never mind. Very important. I keep saying that, but don't let me bother you again. I keep saying the long vowel because I remember when I was a kid, my dad used to call my brother, my older brother, names is just by tonality, same word. My older brother name is Benson. When he calling my brother, when everything is fine, he say Benson. As soon as my dad say Benson, he's in trouble. You see, Kikongo is same thing. I can say one word just by changing slightly the tonality. I mean something different. Emily, you like this?
Diambote.
Diambote. Good. You're doing well, Diambote. What you're doing is Diambote.
Diambote.
Diambote. Remember, there's no K. Diambote. K is hello. Diambote. Diambote. Diambi.
Oh, not good.
Diambi.
What is it? Awful?
Yeah, just move O T I. Just put I. T E. Just remove O T E. Diambi.
Diambi.
Diambi. Yeah.
Away.
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 Away. My goodness.
Away.
Away.
Away. Okay. Aquay.
Aquay.
Where is it? Ekumaki.
Ekumaki.
Again, please, Emily, please.
Ekumaki.
Ekumaki. Try and key. Well done, key.
Ekumaki.
Try to say mbunga.
Bunga.
Mbu.
Bumba.
No, just say mbu.
Boo.
Mbumba.
Bumba.
Well done. Mbumba means secret. Remember last time we learned. Okay, someone say hello to you. Lina, thank you very much. She's learning Kikongo as well on 20 days. Well done, ladies. Yeah. They're brave ladies. Let's just move quickly. Kewaukwe. How do you reply if everything is Diambote? You ask me, I'm going to reply. Emil, ask me, please.
Kawauke.
Iwaukwe. Then I'll reply, Iwau. Iwau. Can you say it, Emily? Iwau.
Iwau.
Just I-W-U-W-A. Iwao.
Iwao.
Kewakwe, Iwao.
Wow.
Keep this in mind. I want to ask you next time. Kewakwe, Iwao.
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 Wow.
We are fine. No high temperature here, so the temperature is fine. Sansuka.
Sansuka.
Svansuka.
When do you say that, Emily?
When a person sneezes.
Is that written? Okay. Sansuka.
Sansuka.
Undoloka.
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 Undoloka. Then ilolokele. The person replies ilolokele. Forgive you or kediambuko, meaning that that's not no worries. Okay, we need to read this. Emily, please.
Away overlele.
Well done. Tiffany.
Iweu ovole.
Away ovovele. Away ovovele.
Away ovole.
Emily, can you try it again, please?
Away overlele.
Away ovovele. Why did you say?
2 V's. Ovovo. Ovovele.
Yes, well done. Away ovovele. Listen carefully to the tonality, the pronunciation. Away ovovele. Kiwidiko.
Kiwidiko.
Remember long vowel, what double I, W, then go double I. You don't say kiwidiko, you say kiwidiko. I mean gently. Kiwidiko.
Kiwidiko.
If I can read, please try to mind the vowel, long vowel, please.
Kiwidiko.
Well done. Emily.
Kiwidiko.
Yeah.
Kiwidiko.
Ekumbwame.
Ekumbwame.
Yeah, well done, Emily. Again, please. Ekumbwame.
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 Ekumbwame Emily.
Ekumbwame. Then you put your name. Ekumbwame.
Ekumbwame Tiffany.
Well done. Oh, Diambote. Kewakwe.
But I need a Kikongo name. Tiffany is not a Kikongo.
Don't worry, we took a background. We don't do it live. Next time we do it. Don't worry.
Okay.
There are many nice name. Very nice name in Kikongo. Very for ladies. No, I can't say it live. Yo. Next time we talk, come on time. I mean, before the time.
Isn't it Bemba? Bemba.
Sorry?
Bemba, right?
Bemba, Falcon, the bird.
Yes,
Bemba.
Bemba.
Yeah. Zumba, nice name, Zumba, lady's name. Zumba. Nguti, my auntie's name, nice name. But the thing is, every name, I mean, each name has a meaning. So you need to be careful, you know, which name you're getting. Yes. Okay. Diambote, I'm asking a question. You need to reply. Diambote, Kewakwe. You took note, Tiffany. I remember I saw you taking note.
Yeah, Nkumbame.
No. I'm saying Kewakwe.
Kewakwe.
You took note as well.
Ewu.
Iwao.
Iwawu.
Iwao, yeah. Keep this in mind. Emily, you learn in Kikongo. You are very good at language. Kewakwe.
Oh, Iwawe.
Yeah, Iwao. Well done. Iwao. Wow. Okay, we are going to the second lesson, just an introduction. Next time we're repeating, we're going back again to just help us. Let me just share my screen. Kikongo is good language. Kewakwe. See or not? Kewakwe.
Ewu. Ewawu.
Iwao. Iwao. Yeah.
Ewawu.
Iwao. Iwao. I got good names for you in Kikongo names.
Yeah, I need a Kikongo name.
You will have it. You deserve it. You need it. You need your name.
You know what I noticed though that is very interesting. Like when you say hello or when you say yes, like hello. I noticed that, and I know there's a large population of Congo people in Cuba, and a lot of the words that you're saying right now are words that I hear within the Cuban dialect.
Of course,
Yes.
of course, of
Yes.
course.
I was like, wow.
Of course, I have to keep my tears. I have to control myself, when you talk about this.
Yes, it's like I
If
hear.
If you go to Haiti, all these countries. Yeah.
A lot of the words
So, someone from Jamaica told me that the Tata, they use a Tata. Some people use Tata. Oh, can you read this weekdays in Kikongo? Days of the week, sorry.
Kiamosi.
Kiamosi. Kiamosi Monday. Kiazole. Remember someone Kiazole, you go to 2 there, yes?
Kiazole.
Kiamosi, because we start counting days from for our first day is Monday. Kiamosi, sorry, 1. Kiazole, 2. See the number, the units are there. Zole, 2.
Kiatatu.
Kiatatu, yeah. Yeah. First day.
Kayatano.
Well done, Kiatano.
And Kayasambala.
Kiasabala. This is the original. It is for Portuguese word. Kialumingo. Kialumingo. How do I say week in Kikongo?
Mingo, Portuguese, domingo. Yeah.
Now, how do I say a week in Kikongo? This is Sunday, Kialumingo. How do I say week in Kikongo?
Mingo.
You just move the prefix.
Isn't it Mingo?
You just move the kia.
Oh, I see it. It's Musi, Zule, Tatu. Yeah, Tanu.
Yeah. So, how do I say week in Kikongo? I just remove the KYA.
Lumingo?
Yeah, all the Lumingo is week.
Lumingo.
Lumingo. Okay. Same question. Eunu Kiatano. Let me just remove this. Meaning Friday. Today. Eunu Kia. Emily, today is the weekday. Eunu Kia.
Domingo.
Yeah, right there. Eunu Kia Domingo. Right there. Domingo. Okay, these are the weeks, Kikongo week days. Wow, you done well. I think we can stop there. Go and review. Let me just move this. Yes. Wow, you done well, ladies. 1 minute. Someone say they're writing in French. They saying that we should translate it into French. But we have on Saturday. Let me just speak to the person. Gaël, on a le cours de, disons, le samedi c'est portugais et français. Aujourd'hui c'est juste l'anglais pour nos frères en Amérique, nos frères et sœurs en Amérique. They're saying that today is just for English speaking people. On Saturday we have a Kikongo lesson, French and Portuguese. Okay, thank you very much. You done well. You are very brave. Kewakwe.
Away, away,
Kewakwe.
away.
Read your note. Don't worry. Kewakwe.
Wow, wow.
Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Okay. Okay, now we are going to say bye. I'm staying. You are leaving. Let's put that around. I'm moving. I'm going. You are staying. How do you say bye to me? I'm moving. I mean, I'm going. You are staying.
Nuenda Kiambote.
Well done. If I were old people, older people, or many people, you say to us bye.
Nusala Kiambote.
We are going. You are staying. We are going. I'm elder people, and with all my crowd, we are leaving.
We're leaving. Nuenda Kiambote.
Wow, well done. Nwenda Kiambote. Wow, well done. Okay, thank you very much for your time. We'll see you on Sunday.
Next Sunday.
Yes. Keep revising your notes. You can go on your on our YouTube channel. All the lessons are there. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye bye. Bye bye. You can leave. I leave in last person leave. Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank you, Panzo.
Bye bye. Okay, don't worry. I'm going to do it here. Thank you.